are now here at the Grand Floridian. A very exciting video today. We will be checking out the 3-bedroom grand villa here at the Grand Floridian. We are in room 1201, meaning we are on floor 2 here in the villas building, and we are right at the end of the hallway leading down from the elevators, and we do have steps down here. We have 2 entrances into our villa, a door here and a door down there. That is the main door down there. So let's head through the main door. It's quite nice that we've got our own little corridor down here with a mirror and a light and everything. So let's head on in. And as soon as you walk in, you have this absolutely beautiful little room with a mirror, and you've got cabinets or tables there too, and you get your classic leaflets that you get in all of your Disney resorts, and another mirror. And then that is when you walk into the absolutely massive living space. The Grand Floridian 3-bedroom grand villa is the largest 3-bedroom grand villa out of all of the Disney Vacation Club properties, including Riviera, one of their flagship resorts. But the view outside is absolutely magnificent, and we will go into further detail into that later. But you get these 2 absolutely massive windows, absolutely beautiful. Then you have in your living area, you've got 2 sofas with a table in the middle, and you've got a huge TV there with a Blu-ray player with 3D players too, and you've got a USB charger in there too, and you've got storage underneath too with speakers in. So I'm not quite sure what those speakers do, but you've got nice lamps, and you've got plenty throughout of the whole building. You have got plenty of output sockets. I'm not going to show you each one, but yeah, you've got plenty of them. And then you've got a table that could probably fit every leader of the world on. It is absolutely massive. Baby Groot is currently sitting there. My family have settled in, as you can probably see. But what I love is that you just got little seats here that you can just sit at. And you've also got more cabinet spaces down here with storage space in too. So it's really great if you're staying here for a long period of time. We're only here for 2 nights. So we're not going to be using all of it, but it's absolutely beautiful here. And then we're coming over into the kitchen area, and this is not even a kitchenette, it is a full kitchen. You have a bar area here, a breakfast stand with 3 chairs, and there aren't any sockets under there, but yeah. Then you have this brilliant little display here of 3 china plates, one with the Grand Floridian logo on it, and you can probably see that it forms a hidden Mickey, so that's quite nice there too. And you've got quite a fancy fridge here that opens out like a little book, so lots of space in there for everything that you might want. And then under the fridge you have freezer drawers, so plenty of space for frozen stuff, which will come in use with the ovens that you have got. And you've also got a microwave, your toaster, and then this Keurig machine is very fascinating. I have never seen one like this before. So you have your Keurig machine here on the right, where you can put your Keurig pods in that you have there, and the water is at the back, so you can make it that way. Or if you're making coffee for a large amount of people, you have your own coffee pot on the left hand side, which also comes from the reserve at the back, and Disney provide you with normal Keurig coffee pods, and tea and creamer and everything like that, as well as the ground coffee too that you can put in the coffee pot side. And you've got your toaster that can fit 4 slices of toast in there. So yeah, it's really suitable for large families staying here at the 3-bedroom Grand Villa. And you get china, or I don't know what the word is, but you get proper plates. It's not all plastic plates and cups like it is over in the studios. So that's quite nice. Proper glasses over here. Really huge sink here. Absolutely huge sink. And it comes with all dishwasher tablets, and the dishwasher, is just next to the oven here in there. So as I was saying, it comes with loads of dishwasher tablets, loads of sponges and washing up liquid. And you've got your kitchen roll there. And lots of mugs there too. We did have lots of mugs here, but we've drunk coffee since we've been here. And then you've just got loads of different drawers with all sorts in. So you've got more tea cloths in there, and more sponges and washing up liquid and dishwasher tablets. So there's really, Disney provide you with absolutely loads. You've got all kitchen utensils there. And then you've even got more drawers over here with your knives, graters, so you can really cook your own food while you're here. You've even got your own frying pans and saucepans and everything, and proper cutlery. So it is really nice here at the 3-bedroom Grand Villa. And another drawer with cutlery in, wow. And nothing in that drawer. So yes, so that is all of this so far has just been... I've not missed anything. I feel like I've missed something, but I don't think I have. This has all just been the living area. Now, let's head out onto one of 2 balconies here. So you come over to the big area by the windows, and on your right-hand side and your left-hand side, you have these doors. And these doors head out onto our balcony. And I might just lower my voice a bit when we come out here. But we have an absolutely beautiful view out here. We've got the Contemporary just over there. And then you've got the main building of the Grand Floridian there. And you can see the pool and the monorail station. So an absolutely beautiful view. And we're hoping, fingers crossed, from the other side of our villa, on the other balcony... walk along here. Help if I unlock it. Try again. Oh, it's just stiff. We are hoping from this side of our balcony, if you walk right to the edge of our balcony, you can just see Space Mountain over there. So we are hoping we may see fireworks, we may not, because this big building at the Grand Floridian's in the way. But we will wait and see tonight when the fireworks begin. And you have entrances to the bedroom and vice versa from the master bedroom there, which we'll get to later. The media room, which we will get to later, so that is all connected there. And then the two bedrooms are connected to the other balcony, and we'll get to those bedrooms as well. So let's head over to this way through the Grand Villa. This is a very long room tour, but we are doing it in depth as, yeah. We are heading into the first bedroom here. This is my bedroom. And you get a massive TV, huge wardrobe space with, of course, you've got your luggage racks, your safe, and you've got coat hangers and your robes too. So absolutely wonderful there. You got your own desk, lamp, mirror, and then you have two double beds in here with drawer space and bedside space there with your own phone, and you have space underneath the TV too. And then you have access here, your own access out onto the balcony which is absolutely amazing. And then just across the hall from the first bedroom, you have a bathroom. So in here you've got your sink and your Disney H2O, soon not to be H2O and replaced by something else. We don't have no idea what it will be replaced by. And you have 2 shower heads there and a bath. I don't know what the difference is between the 2 shower heads. One is attached to the wall and the other isn't. And you have your shower condiments attached to the wall there too. And you've got your towels there too. And then through the door here, you have your toilet. Lovely. With a pressed flower on the wall. Mine is from Gainesville, Florida. University of Florida. So it's quite a nice little touch that they've put into their rooms too. And then heading down the wall, you have the classic Mary Poppins and the Happiest Millionaire picture frames there too. So that's quite nice to see too. And then heading into the bedroom here, you have 2 double beds, your telly, and then that leads out into one of the balconies. And then you also have a bathroom here too, looking very similar to the previous bathroom we were in, with the toilet there, the sinks and the shower and the bathtub. And you've got plenty of towels and spare amenities too, including hair dryers and stuff like that. And now we're probably... Oh, very important thing. That is the other door that leads outside into the hallway leading back towards the elevators. So you get 2 entrances here. And a full body length mirror here too. Hello. Right, and heading back down through the Grand Villa, there's the kitchen, and here's the living space. Coming up on our left, we have the media room. Very beautiful in here. We have set it up as a bed. Usually it's just one massive sofa, but you've got lovely little picture frames in here. You've got speakers in the ceiling, so if you want to watch a nice film, you can come in here as a family and turn the TV on here, which, by the way, it's as big as all the other TVs in the villa, but the added sound will be amazing too. And you have all of this storage space around the TV. Absolutely tons of storage space. So if you can sleep, I think it's up to, I have no idea, I think it's 12 people. That's a figure off the top of my head. 12 people here. And another really nice thing is, throughout the whole villa, they have thermostats. So you can have different temperatures in different areas of the villa. So that is quite a nice feature if you have different feelings in your family about what temperature you want it to be. I personally like it cooler, whereas certain members of my family like it warmer. So yes. So across from the media room, you have another bathroom with your toilet there. And then you have your Disney H2Os. You've got a mirror there. Towel. Massive mirror. Sink. Storage space underneath with bins. And then you have your walk-in shower with a rainfall shower, or you have a handle shower with fixed amenities there. And there's a little Disney H2O thing in the corner. And you've got a lovely seat in there if you want to take a seat in the shower, because why not? And you've got a hook on the wall there too. Just thought I'd show you that. And then heading into what I believe is the master bedroom through these beautiful double doors here, so you can close these at night. And how wonderful is that? You can close that and make a grand entrance into the bedroom with a lovely mirror there, and a bed and a cabinet and a table sort of thing too. And in here you have massive TV. I think that is bigger. I'm not sure. Probably isn't. With storage space underneath. I can't figure out how to turn on the lights. So apologies for the darkness. But you have a desk over here with a nice chair and a phone and a lovely Mary Poppins little picture there too. There is your access out to the right-hand side balcony. And over here you have a bedside cabinet with a lamp on top. Can I turn on the lamp? Yes, I can. There we go. It's a bit better in here now. Then you have a massive bed. Don't ask me what size bed it is. I'm not good with that sort of things. Apologies. But you have loads of output sockets, and beside the bed you have a USB and 2 output sockets, which I've not seen on the other bed, so I think it's just these 2. But that lamp's not turning on for some reason. Another phone there. Turning to the right. Oh, God. This is a very long room tour. Turning to the right, you're coming into the bathroom again with more closet areas there with some coat hangers in. And then you have the same on the other side, but you've got your safe, extra pillows and blankets, your robes, luggage racks. So lots and lots of storage space. So your valuable floor space isn't taken up by suitcases and everything. Then you have another massive shower area in there. It's actually, the shower's dripping for some reason, don't know why. And you've got your shower amenities and stuff like that too, like we've had in the other showers. And then you have a twin sink area here with your Disney H2O, or that's not Disney H2O, that's just Disney Resort. So maybe they've already started not to do Disney H2O. I don't know, only time will tell. But you have output sockets, mirrors, like you would expect, and tons of storage space underneath. Look at all those drawers and cabinets. And you also have a jacuzzi here, which is absolutely beautiful. And I absolutely love these pictures that they have above the jacuzzi. Very nice. And you've got some towels and flannels there too. And the toilet, and which also has a phone next to the toilet, which I will not be touching. Oh my god, I did not see this. There is a cabinet inside of the toilet. Lovely, with a mirror on the other side. That made a weird noise. But there is just tons of storage space in here. It's quite ridiculous. So yes, that is about it. And of course you've got your balcony access there too. And that concludes our 18-minute plus tour here at the 3-bedroom grand villa at the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. It is an absolutely gorgeous place. I'd happily live here, but who wouldn't happily live here? So thank you all for watching. Oh, that went dark there for all. Oh, keep on going dark. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.